Once upon a time, we were told who the villains were. Cartoons, pulp novels, missionary films. They painted entire cultures as cannibals, as monsters, as the ones who devoured. But what history never showed you is who was really hungry. Over 97% of Papua New Guinea's land is communally owned. But foreign developers don't ask. They lease, they mine, they bulldoze, while entire uncontacted tribes vanish without a single headline. They called them cannibals while devouring their forests, their language, their land. This isn't a snack box. It's a message from the forgotten, a preservation, a reminder. You don't just buy this art drop. You choose a side. Preserve a tribe or profit off its erasure. We made it that simple. Who's eating who? Limited art drop number 2 from SPRVILLN.